A smile for every stranger. In a small town, there was a woman named Rosa. Rosa loved to smile. Every morning, she stood near the main street and greeted everyone with a smile and a kind word. "Good morning. Have a beautiful day," she said to a man carrying a bag. He looked surprised but smiled back. One day, a boy walked by. He was sad because he failed a test at school. Rosa saw his face and said, "Hello, young man. Don't worry, tomorrow is a new day." The boy looked at her and smiled a little. "Thank you, ma'am," he said. Later, an old woman stopped near Rosa. "Why do you smile at everyone?" she asked. Rosa laughed gently. "Because a smile is free, and it makes people happy," she said. The old woman nodded. "You are right. Your smile makes me feel young again," she said with a big grin. That evening, a man came to Rosa. He was new to the town and looked tired. "I saw you smiling at people all day," he said. "Why do you do it?" Rosa smiled at him too. "When I smile, it makes my heart happy, and it helps others feel better. Smiles are like sunshine. They make everything brighter," she said. The man thought about this and smiled back. "Thank you," he said. "I feel better now." That night, Rosa sat by her window. She looked at the stars and felt peaceful. She knew that her small act of kindness made her town a little happier. Rosa did not have much money or many things, but she had something special, a smile for every stranger, and that was enough to change the world, one smile at a time.